A new report from the Mortgage Bankers Association shows demand for mortgages continues to drop. It says applications fell nearly 3% last week, and this drop comes as interest rates for common 30-year fixed-rate mortgages dropped by 0.1% this week. Professor Jeff Cooperstein with the University of Arkansas says despite the drop in mortgage applications, the demand for housing in our region is still very high.
There's also no indication yet that, at least in Northwest Arkansas, that home prices are going to come down. There's some signs occasionally, maybe they're flattening a little bit, but demand is really strong still.
Despite the pullback in rate increases, mortgage interest rates remain a full percentage point higher than a year ago at this same time. So a lot of you probably thinking, is it a good time for you to buy a home? Arvest Bank says yes. Maria Law is the Senior Vice President for mortgage lending with the bank. She says even though interest rates are higher, they've been much worse in the past. Law says homes in Northwest Arkansas actually appreciated 11% last year, so the longer you wait, she says the more you're going to miss out.
Consistently in all areas of Northwest Arkansas, we're seeing appreciation of about 5% per year. So if you're in an apartment or a rental property, you're not earning that 5% a year. Your landlord is, but you're not. So don't be afraid to talk to a lender about buying a house.
Law says it's important to know how much you can afford before buying a home. She says you can meet with a loan officer who will put you in an appropriate program based on your needs and what you can afford.